If you desire to sell anything on online e-commerce platforms, then here you have this video. These e-commerce platforms will share features like payment processing, web hosting, and shopping cart tools. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Here we begin with the best e-commerce platforms in 2021. BigCommerce. This is the best e-commerce platform ever that provides you the flexibility to meet your business needs. It supports multi-channel sales, accepts international payments, and offers a 15-day trial without any credit card. Meanwhile, there is also a learning curve for the non-tech users, limited free themes, and is somehow expensive for higher sales volume. Regardless of all, it's a feature-rich e-commerce platform with affordable price plans and comprehensive reporting availability. It delivers on every aspect and lets you sell on social media or big shopping platforms, adds a blog to your website, uploads products in bulk, and more. Wix. Another is Wix, the best platform for small businesses. It pivots to digital sales quickly while offering the platform with everything to start selling online in no time. This platform allows you to drag and drop the website builder, multi-channel sales capabilities, and 14 days free trial. Besides, it only has 20 gigabytes of storage space in its basic plan, which might not be enough for most businesses. With this e-commerce platform, you can create e-commerce website and add advantages of exclusive features like reservation, booking of over templates, and more with robust marketing and selling functionalities. Squarespace. This platform is great for startups as you are limited on the need and time to scale with your business. It is a promotional tool helping you to earn quickly, and it offers the 14-day free trial, drag and drops website building feature, and the visually appealing designs of all platforms. Besides, it has limited integrations, charges an extra payment processing fee, and no phone customer support. It also has a mobile app for entrepreneurs for promotions, and its plan offers unlimited storage and bandwidth, extra guidance for SEO, advanced website analytics to track sales and conversions, promotional banners, and email marketing features.
Publish your website. How do you do that? First thing you're going to want to...
Magento. This platform is suitable for large business owners as it offers the entire control to your website so that your site developer can create an exclusive web presence while maintaining server autonomy. In addition, it offers free open source software, unlimited capabilities, and is best for SEO. Meanwhile, it has some cons, including expensive hosted sites, IT and developer support to get the website running up, and no support for the open source software. Magento also offers a customizable solution for massive organizations with plans to expand even further. Its plan features a site search tools, one-click instant purchase options, total control over catalog management, more than 1,000 extensions and themes, and more.
Take a look at my other videos.
Shopify. Shopify is one of the best e-commerce platforms for your dropshipping business, where you can find trending products, add them to your store, and start selling with the platform. It offers the same drag and drop interface, fast website load time, and a 14-day trial. Meanwhile, in its cons, it needs a third-party app for an international currency, only 9 free themes, and an extra transactional fee on non-Shopify payments. It's connected with the integrated dropshipping tools and allows you to sell unlimited products with all plans. Smoothest. Smoothest is the e-commerce platform best for international sales and creates multilingual sites. It accepts international currencies without developer skill and plugins. In addition, it offers a built-in currency converter and affordable plans. Meanwhile, it's limited to a product limit of 500, web pages of 100, and has fewer integrations than other platforms. This platform supports over 58 languages, and affordable price capabilities make it so beneficial. In addition, it offers simple language activation, the ability to use flag or text icons, multiple international currencies for checkout, tax rates for various countries, currency converter built to the checkout, and more. GoDaddy. GoDaddy is the best for ease of use during the ADI tool that creates the site in minutes, then walks you through each step of setting up your e-commerce store. It needs no tech skills or coding, has 24/7 customer support, and an intuitive central dashboard. Meanwhile, it has limited customization options, a single plan for e-commerce, and no switching between the themes. It's the optimal choice for beginners as it has a simple process, central dashboard, and with everything at your fingertips. With its plan, you can create about 25,000 emails a month, post and reply to messages on social media channels, monitor your help listing and online comments, and track your orders. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.